Mumbai West for this fantastic 3 days that we've all enjoyed in Mumbai. So let's give it up to them. 3 cheers for Mumbai West. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! I think what stood out was the timing were maintained, and that made a huge difference. The audio visual has been fantastic, the food is good, and this venue of course is outstanding. So again, once again, thanks a lot Mumbai West for raising the bar. It's all about raising the bar of FMSP, and that's what we've been striving for as a secretary. I would like to also thank the general body meeting yesterday, who again imposed faith on me, yes, but also added to my additional responsibilities towards the Golden Jubilee celebrations at Nasik next year. So be there, because you will definitely witness something out of this world and something completely different. So be there at Nasik, because we are all going into our Golden Jubilee, and this has to go down in memory of all of us and has to stay there for a long time to come. As part of these Golden Jubilee celebrations, as a secretary, I would like to announce a few new proposals that we are going to materialize this year. First is the detailed plan of the fellowship program of FMSP is now in place. Initially for three months, probably extending into 6 months to get it affiliated to MUHS Nasik. This fellowship is meant for people who just pass out their degrees or diplomas from the state of Maharashtra. And the details will reach your medical colleges or your place of work in due course. But all details of this has been posted to your regional secretaries about a month and a half ago. So all those in that area, please get in touch with them, because they have the details regarding the rules and regulations. At this time, I would also like to thank many of the members who act as resource people, who I have not personally taken permission from, if they are ready to participate in this particular program. But I had to go ahead because I want to get this rolling, whatever happens during this current year. Then we also propose to start the FMSP News Bulletin. Dr. Vaidya sir and Dr. Khanna sir has agreed to work on this, and they would be launching this very soon. It will go out probably as a soft copy, the news bulletin of FMSP, and we hopefully will be able to upgrade it to a journal very soon, looking at the various requirements that our young graduates have. We also have requested all the branches to celebrate the World Deafness Week, guidelines of which have been given to each and every secretary, which we hope that we all will follow to create a deafness awareness program among the population. We also have requested the various branches of FMSP, 15 in all, to start an award for the outstanding MBBS student of medical colleges in their particular regions. So we hope that this program would kick forward, this would encourage more and more undergraduates to take up to the ENT fraternity. The directory is ready, and I have a soft copy with me right now of all the members updated until the year 2016. So if any of the secretaries are here, please come forward and collect your copy from me a little later on. Once again, we thank you for this. We thank delegates who have come. Probably another thing that I forgot, where we have to appreciate Mumbai West, is out of all the conferences till date, this has recorded the maximum registrations, 890. Am I right? 890? 830, I'm sorry. The people in the dining hall told me 890, but it's 830, so this also happens to be a new record, a new benchmark that we have set for ourselves. It's all about getting or uplifting. I'm not saying that we are down, but it's all about increasing our bar or raising the bar of FMSP. And me as the secretary, I feel humbled by your cooperation, your love that you have vested on me for the past 3 years. I've got another extension to do the Golden Jubilee. So thank you very much, and I can assure you that I will live up to everybody's expectations as far as my responsibilities are concerned. Thank you once again.